gonna be doing this video vlog style, like this intro vlog style. You know how I look right now. But yeah, I'm wearing my glasses and everything. But right now I'm from my vanity lights, so I can get like the best lighting possible. But I'm gonna show you guys like a quick room tour. Like if you guys see the back right now, like you're gonna get the full blown tour of this like thing. So I did this probably took I wish I had before pictures. I did not take before pictures because I forgot. But trust me, it was like a mess before this. But I'm gonna show you guys a room tour, quick room tour. I have like the only thing that I did with my room was tile it. I mean, it wasn't that bad before. Just before to give it a tile. I will show you guys the quick short. I'll insert it like right now.
Well, everyone partying. I'm using Carnival Week to redo my room.
So yeah, as you guys can see, the floor was hella bad, and I tiled it over, and now it actually looks super good. I don't know if the camera will pick that up now, how good it looks, but it looks really good in person. So let's do this quick short room tour. Semi-finished like room tour. Like it's not how I want it to be, but this is part 1, and part 2 will be uploaded as soon as all my decals and decor come for my room. You'll get the full finished thing, everything up to like lighting and how I light my room. Like I ordered like a bunch of stuff in this room, even though it's small as heck. I don't know where I'm gonna put everything, but just stay tuned for part 2. So okay, so this is my door and it needs to be painted, so don't judge it. Like I painted last year, but I ran out of paint to repaint it. So yeah, I need to go ahead and get some more white paint and like literally paint this door. So ignore that and don't judge how my door looks right now. So first things first is this bedroom sign on my door. It just says Maria's room. It's so cute. It's like moving. If you guys can see that, like it's like this holographic kind of like door sign, which I really love. I had this since I was like probably 7, so I have the sign for a long time, and it's one of the cutest things ever. So thanks, shout out to my mom for that. So let's enter. So when you enter, the first thing you see is my vanity table right there in the corner, and like a bunch of like boxes that I have to sort through, and my like basket right over there that needs to be washed. But let's start with my vanity table. So this is my vanity table, and I DIY this myself with the help of my dad. So I'm gonna show you guys like everything. So this whole table was DIY, and the lights and everything is from Amazon. And this chair is like a most random chair. This chair my mom just brought for me. I don't know where she got this chair. Like I just needed a chair, and she like got this chair for me to sit down on, and I also got freaking paint on it. I'm so mad. I just probably need like some thinners, some paint thinners, and that will probably come off. So yeah, that's how it looks pushed in. Ignore that bag, because when I was wiping down the table, everything was in that bag and I need to throw it away, whatever. So this is what's on my vanity table. I have this cute little cup that my friend got me. It's like says hello gorgeous, and it's so cute. So I just have that there for like aesthetic purposes, like no other reason. Like I haven't used it yet. It's just pink and it matches my room and it looks cute. I just have these like glasses on this side that I need to like put away. I don't know what to do with them. I have some micellar water. This I got from Amazon. This is like a brush cleaner to be cleaning your makeup brushes easier. And my makeup brushes need to clean like ASAP, so I need to get on that. I just have this like these acrylic things is from Price Mart. If you're from Trinidad, it's from Price Mart. I'm not sure if they have it still, but they were like $110 I think, but I got it last year, so I don't know if they have it in stock still. So it came in like a set of uh six, yeah, six. I think it was, yeah, six. So it has like this like round container thing. Then these, I just keep like cotton pads in it. These two things, they look like if they're together, but they're not. They're two separate things, but they come into these two containers, and I have like different makeup brushes in it. Yeah, so this thing, I have my makeup brush and my sponges in it. It needs to be desperately clean and washed. But these are super cute. I have to be careful because I don't want to knock anything down. Then it came with these lipstick holders, which is so cute. Those are my like glosses, matte, like, yep. Those are from, everything here is from Wonderful World, except for this one that's from Morphe that I got as a gift long time ago. Then another stuff with makeup brushes, like little like earrings and stuff, tape. This is just chaos over here in this palette. I just have this cute little two bandeau things that I have for my hair. This Christmas cup that I have no idea what to do with it. And then this book thing below it is my Polaroid pictures, and then this James Charles palette, makeup palette from Morphe. And then over here I have this mirror. This is from Shein, and it just lights up. It's really cute. It's like, I got this to be a travel size mirror, but since I'm blind as hell, I use it every day. Well, not every day, but you know what I mean, like to do my makeup. And I have these what do you call it, these 4K gold under eye patches that I got for Christmas. I haven't used them yet, so I should probably use them before they expire. I have no idea when. Do the things even expire? I'm not sure. They probably do, but so I have to use that like before they do. So moving on. Oh yeah, the lights again. Let me show you guys the lights close up. They are from Amazon. I have like these random stuff hanging up, a mask, this like hat thing, and then like this random wire for whatever reason. But the bulbs are from Amazon, and they turn on and off at the side here. I just stuck it at the side here, so they turn on and off by just pressing this, and you can hold it down and it will dim, then you can hold it up again and it will brighten. So yeah, really cool lights. Awesome. Good. So now we're gonna go pan around from my vanity table to this side, like chaos. These bins, I just put my stuff in these bins because I needed to clear my room to tile it, obviously. So I just pack stuff in these bins. The bin's kind of dusty now because they were like, it doesn't matter. But yeah, I don't have this beach bag that went through some stuff. And then next to these bins, I have my basket full of clothes I need to wash. Yeah, that needs to, let's ignore my dirty laundry for now. Up on top here is my TV, which I mounted myself. Okay, so I'm proud of that. And then I have like these, oh wait, well, not by myself, my dad helped, but yeah. Then I have like just my toothbrush, a random clothespin, remotes, and my keyboard box. So yeah, another on that little shelf. So coming back around here is my bed, and I have like this cute little throw blanket because your girl has AC and be getting cold. And underneath there's the blanket sheet that comes with the actual bed set, but I don't really use it. I just only use this for the AC. Then I have my laptop randomly sitting there and its charger. This is embarrassing, but it's cute nonetheless. That is Barry. Okay, yes, I named it Barry. Okay, and Barry has been with me since I was, okay, no, I was really too old for this, but I was 15 when I got this. Okay, but I love it. It's cute. It's adorable. You're never too old to have like something cute and childish in your room. Okay. Then I have this little princess pillow that I had since I was probably like 6 or 7. So I take good care of my I took good care of my stuff. Okay. So this is the bed sheet. It has like little cute little swans on them. Adorable. It's kind of rumpled, but whatever. And the pillows says princess, so cute. A pan up above my bed is my curtains, which I need blackout curtains. These curtains are way too light, especially at night. Like, my gosh, they are the worst. Up there's my AC unit, and then over here, pan down next to my bed, is my eye patch because, again, light. I can't sleep. I need to sleep in complete darkness, and the light is bothering me. Next, I have this. Okay, this is embarrassing because, as I guess said, semi-finished because my room is not completely finished. I have this like table thing which I use as a bedside table for now, and I have like my bottled water on it, which is like tells you the time of day to drink your water and stuff like that. So 2 liters. I have this dusty black fan. It don't look, yeah, you could tell it's dusty. It needs to clean. Like, at the side of it, I just have this bag of braids and this value optical bag that keeps my glasses because the girl's blind. Up above all my, oh, let's talk about the oven room. I ran out of paint. These used to have like shells on it, but they looked so goddamn awful, and I didn't had enough paint to finish repaint the wall properly, so I have to repaint my whole room, but that's in a different timing. Okay, so back over on this side is a monthly planner that I got from Shein, and as you can see, it says room makeover. So I was gonna use the whole week to, but it actually took quicker than it took quicker than I expected it to take because then had paint and all like my room decorations did not come in time and stuff that I wanted for my room. So that will be in part 2 when everything arrives here in Trinidad that I ordered. Down below, next here under that is my dressing table. I have like these like markers in here and like whatever like random stuff in here. Markers are for the board, the well, sticker, calendar. I just have this like sanitizer because you need to, I have like, yeah, sanitizer. My Nova thing for my glasses. This random cracked iPhone 6, I think. Yeah, I think it was iPhone 6. Yeah, iPhone 6. That's dead and not working. Vitamin C. iTac. This is for my pool classes. If you guys don't know, I take pool classes, so that helps on the pool. I have this orange gel, like a big gel and a small one for my braids. I have like this random like hair ties, up the free for my contacts, sanitizing spray. Could never go wrong with sanitizing. Air freshener, CeraVe daily moisturizing lotion, my Converse glasses case, put my brush that needs to clean. This candle I got for New Year's from one of my friends. This cancer chain also from one of my friends. These things I got for Christmas. Like, they are like M chain, and like this is I can't open it, but whatever. This basket is like full of like a random miscellaneous stuff. This is my nipple covers. But I don't give a shit that I'm a woman, okay? We use those things. I don't really care. Perfume and like other, like, I have rare freaking deodorant. I just realized that. But all this is from Pennywise. Most of these things are from Pennywise. I have this happy birthday thing that I got from birthday last year, and I still have it. Like, I don't know why I'm saving it. I mean, I'm gonna save it for my birthday this year too, because, and then I have this pink sash for my birthday, and then like random stuff in my basket, my Instax Mini 9 camera, my what's called this what the frick is called this boy, the vaccination card, cream, my vitamins, vitamin C, another candle. So that's it for my dressing table. So, oh yeah, hi. Oh, and I have this cute little Cancer quote of it because I'm a Cancer. That's my zodiac sign. So cute. And then back over here now is my wardrobe. I'm gonna come on this side to show y'all. So this is the wardrobe, and I have a sticker of Avengers stuff because I like Marvel. And yeah, this is basically it. This just says love on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. It says, I love you to infinity and beyond. It's super cute. And yeah, so that's basically it for this room. Well, semi-finished room. And here's me in the mirror. And here's my outfit of the day. This whole pajama set is from Fashion Nova. And it's super, super cute. So, yes. Guys, yourself this Fashion Nova set. I'll try to link it down below if you all like it. It's super cute, ladies. Get it. It's adorable. And it just says love to sleep on the pocket thing. So that's so cute. Alright, so let me just show you like another panel of my room. So, oh, and that's the AC, the light switch on the AC remote thing. So you have my cupboard and wardrobe stuff. Basically, I need to put lights in my room because I find like it's dark. Although I like my room dark at night, but at the day I like some light, okay? And let's end off with my favorite creation, my vanity table. Yay! Let me sit here. Alright, so that is basically my whole room. I can't wait to like get my stuff for it. My decor and stuff like that. It is freaking hot right now. I'm gonna put on that AC right now. It's so hot. But yeah. So if you guys want to see my an updated part 2 of when I get my stuff to finally light my room and have it how I really want it looking, subscribe and like the video, and part 2 will be up soon. Okay, bye guys.